Look at one another and remember this moment in time. I want you to think about the happiness that you're feeling in this place, in this moment. Now I want you to think about your life together in 20 years. Where are you? What are you doing? We all know that your visions of the future are not identical, but they are always complementary. And John Lennon once said, "A dream you dream alone is only a dream, but a dream you dream together, that is reality." Alex and Kevin, that reality starts now.
Kevin, this morning I woke up to watch the sun rise over our city. As I reflected on the love I have for the city that gave me the love of my life, I realized that this is not truly home. My home is in your arms, in your smile, and in your soft kiss. It's feeling real.
Dear Alex, I can't believe we've only been together for 4 years. When I look back on it, I feel like my life never truly started until I met you. I'm so excited to share the rest of my life with you, and I can't wait to build so many new memories with you while continuing to relive all of our moments together.
It's a celebration of love, of commitment, of friendship, and of family. Two people who are in it forever. And no matter who we are, where we've come from, what language we speak, what we believe, we know this one thing, that love is what we're doing right. Trying to describe love is one of our favorite pastimes, and we use the words we have to write stories and poems and songs about love. And even though we describe love in different ways, even though love can look different from one person to the next, we all know it when we see it. And today, this evening, we see it right here. Alex and Kevin, if you are ready to step into the sanctity of marriage, assuming all its rights, obligations, and abundant joys, please so indicate by joining hands.
So many old things have come to an end, and so many new things are on the horizon.
Kevin, it is nearly impossible for me to try and adequately describe the depth of my love for you. Our love is so comfortable, it's worn in and weathered. You love me the same, no matter how I may try to make you love me more, or sometimes even less.
I don't know where our lives are going to be 5 years from now, but I know that whatever happens, I'll face it with my best friend at my side.
You've created something invaluable, Kevin and Alex, and just as I know you'll protect these rings, I'm confident that you will protect the commitments you've made to one another today. Alex and Kevin, coming here today out of your own free will and the witness of myself, your family and friends, and all in attendance, you have expressed your love to one another through the commitment and promises you have just made. You have sealed these vows through the exchanging of your rings. It is with these intentions in mind, and through the power vested in me by the laws of God and man, that I now pronounce you husband and wife. Kevin, you may now kiss your bride.
can't wait to sob uncontrollably at your wedding. Exclamation, exclamation. And I did. You were beautiful, and I am so happy for you.
You cannot be as excited as I am because I have waited for this day, this moment, since the first time Kevin invited Alex to our home.
So time flies. My little boy is no longer a kid, and he grew up as such a fine man.
These years have been transformative, and I wouldn't be the person I am today without you.
To my brilliant, beautiful, tender-hearted, and resilient daughter who has never been afraid to dream big and to work hard to accomplish those dreams.
She's your partner in crime, your midnight companion, someone who knows you when you're smiling, even in the dark. She is my sister.
Feel it fall into place now. We will go from this day on.
Always remember that Kevin loves you and could not be without you. Seriously, I've seen Kevin without you. It was a mess.
When we were kids, I followed Kevin everywhere he went. We did pretty much everything together, and he even invited me to his friends' houses where they would talk about how I was so much cuter than he is. Well, I guess some things never change.
When he returned from a month studying abroad in India, he deployed his most clever tactic, claiming that he forgot where he lived so he could come home with her. But thanks to Alex's good humor, we have the delight of finding ourselves here today, celebrating the commitment made by these unlikely lovers.
You are exactly the match and life partner that I envisioned for Alex.
I have to say that when I first saw him with Alex, it was the happiest I had ever seen him.
Let's celebrate and wish the new couple happy marriage and love forever.
To the beginning of a great adventure together for the Doctors Wang and my grandpa Frank.
We all wish you a lifetime of happiness, love, health, success, and of course, laughter. May you continue to find humor in the bad and appreciation for the good.
Thank you all so much for coming from so many places: Seattle, China, Germany, Switzerland, all over the world. People have come here to celebrate us. To see all of the parts of our lives coming together and colliding in one moment is really something that I'll never, ever be able to match.
I promise that I will work to make sure that our marriage is perfect. Not in some fairy tale sense of the word, but perfect in the same way that our relationship is perfect today. I want to look back on it and say, yes, I would do that all over again, 100 times over.
Every day, I continue to be amazed that I should deserve you, that I should be so lucky enough in this chaotic, random world to find you. There is no love for me in this life like yours, and I promise every day to cherish it, to honor it, and to love you till the end of days, and longer if I may.